All right, we are here at the Tower Garage in Roanoke, Virginia. And we have an automatic door operator.
I think only the car on the right is working.
That looks replaced. Yeah, I haven't ridden these in a while, so let's see how they're doing. Let's go to 7. Oh, that's all broken. Oops. All right, let's just see if the other car works.
Yeah, sure. I don't think it is. Leo from security told me they turned it off.
Well, we'll find out. So here it goes.
Nope. Nope, it's off.
All right, well, guess the one elevator at the Tower Garage is running decently. So that's it.